Guys, today we stop here in the place called Frontalier. So we are just walking in the small city of Frontalier. It's in France. Pontalier. New place to discover again.
Look, the balcony is funny. See up here? It's large and very, very small.
Someone is shouting. So guys, we are entering the city of... Okay. Wait. The Augment Passy. So we are entering to the old city of Pontalier. This is the explanation in English. And let's go. That's the entrance, and it's a church, this one. They're renovating. So we are here on the other side, in the shadow side. And welcome to Pontalier town or city. And this is the old city. We are here in the old city. Wow, it's nice. I'll take a picture of this. It's a bakery. It's an old building. It's made up of rocks, concrete.
Oh, I found you. I have another one, more colorful if you like.
There's a flower shop here. There's a lot of flowers.
It's just weird.
Hotel de Ville. This one is a hotel.
Non, ça c'est la mairie justement.
Pourquoi c'est dit Hotel de Ville?
C'est un autre nom pour dire la mairie.
Ah, guys, this is a mayor's house. It's nice. It's old one.
Yeah. Sous-préfecture.
The mayor's house. This is the center, and then that was the entrance there with the clock. It's very, very old structure here. This is a church. And then there. This is the inside of church, and there's a lot of painting. So continue walking the old town of Pontalier. Pharmacy. It's a restaurant here. This building, they're selling it.
Yeah. You can buy the whole building.
So dito tayo maglakad-lakad hanggang makita natin kung saan tayo pwedeng kakain. So ito yung old town ng Pontalier. Ang tawag nila Pontalier ang place na to. Ano din to? Matandang town na meron sila dito. So guys, pag andito kayo sa part ng Jura, dito sa France, meron din silang mga old town dito sa country nila. Yan ang nagre-ring na church na yan. Yan ang church. So guys, hahanap tayo ng lugar kung saan tayo kakain. Lakad lang tayo ng lakad dito. Ayan, tignan niyo yung structure ng building nila. Yung color, tsaka yung design is an old building. So guys, this is the proof that this town is very old. You can see the cement and the design of the building. It's very, very old. No. No.
They're like, look, with cheese and...
So guys, meron silang river dito. So meron silang flowers dito. Ito yung flowers. And then a small river here, and makikita natin, we can see houses here near in the riverside, and it's beautiful. Look. So they have a small river here, but normally it's not big. And they have a house here, and we're here still in Pontarlier. Ayan. Hanggang dito lang tayo guys, kasi ano na, wala na tayong makita doon.
Population less than not comparing more or less.
So the population of this small city is just very small also. Primary school, this one. So guys, tingnan niyo yung design ng buildings. The design is an old one.
Bon, on ne sait pas où est la distillerie, c'est pas grave. Ah, distillerie, c'est là.
C'est quoi? Yan yung old town nila. Ganito yung style ng buildings. Kaya dapat, pag andito kayo, mabivisit niyo yung old town nito. Yan yan.
Ok, on va tourner.
Oh, small river here. Soldiers who died in the World War II.
Yes. Not the people who were in the concentration. Also école maternelle, preschool.
And this one is a school also. École maternelle, preschool. Fountain but no water. Big fountain guys, but no water. So guys, it's just very small old city, and now we are going back.
See, doing the violon and the wood. Luthier, oui, c'est ça.
So we are here in the main street.
So there are not that many restaurants.
So guys,
compliqué,
it's done and then we go home now. We are going home now. So we are now going back home because
Manage your
yes,
hunger or not?
yes.
Otherwise, you can go boulangerie and have something small.
So guys, we just finished our walk here in this old city of Pontarlier and then we go back home.
Bonobo, c'est toi.